I just love it. I love it so much.
Starting and ending my day on a positive note.
It remarkably changed my life.
Some of the struggles that I faced before I got a Panda Planner.
Before I purchased the Panda Planner,
I get caught up in the hustle and bustle.
The business and my personal life was getting too intertwined. And
I was feeling like I was getting frustrated and overwhelmed and like I just didn't have enough time.
I was just trying to do too much with my computer and my phone.
I felt like I was trying to just getting through my day-to-day life, but I wasn't really working towards a future goal.
I just needed some kind of organization with my life.
After using the Panda Planner,
Since I've been using Panda Planner,
I feel like I'm working more towards future goals instead of just like survival mode.
Ever since I got Panda Planner, I've just been more stress-free.
my life has just become more positive and more organized and more optimistic.
it's kept me so much more organized and I felt so much happier.
It just gets you set and ready to go for the day.
I really like it.
That aspect changed my business and my life.
My favorite part of the planner is definitely the gratitude portion.
The morning ritual of sitting down and actually like being grateful.
Every morning when I wake up, I'm writing down what motivates me and
The element of positivity that's just running through everything.
I think that's been the most life-changing thing for me.
It just makes you try to be more mindful.
And remember the more important things in life.
so I'm very thankful for Panda Planner.
I feel good about that. Spreading the Panda word.